Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my student. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, before we start the class, we pray to God. Pray to God. Begin. Okay. Before we start the class, let me check your attendance list first. Fanny.
Suaranya kecil
Suaranya
kali.
Suaranya apa ya?
Iya, Miss, suara Miss kecil kali.
Kecil kali ya? Udah. Nih.
Lumayan lebih besar dari yang tadi.
Oh, berarti dekat aja. Tadi udah mau mati kan? Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, before we start the class, let us pray to God. Begin. Okay. Now, I would like to check your attendance list first. The first is Andini.
Present, Miss.
Fanny,
Present, Miss.
Riananda,
Present, Miss.
Anissa,
Yes, Miss.
Tegar. Okay.
Tegar izin, Miss, ke kamar mandi.
Oh iya.
Iya, Miss. Present, Miss.
Okay, now let's restart our class. Udah nampak ya semuanya? Okay. I would like to give you pictures about how to make something from the ingredients. Who can read the ingredients? Please, Fanny, can you read?
Insya Allah, Miss.
Yes, please.
Dari yang mana, Miss?
Ingredients,
Taiwan,
only
apa kata?
ingredients.
Oh, how to cook an omelette.
Okay.
Ingredients. Stay home edition makes delicious and easy dishes. 1. 1. Large chicken egg. 2. Corned beef or coconut or can be solid. 3. Leg. 4. Salt. Masako. Pepper. Last. Cheese sauce.
Okay.
Step 1. First, crack 1 egg and salt, pepper, masako, taste bit.
Okay,
Step
stop, Fanny.
2.
Stop, Fanny.
Okay, Miss.
I ask you to read only for ingredients, but you really diligent to read all of them. Okay, the ingredients itu artinya bahan-bahan ya. Cara membuat omelet, how to cook an omelet itu cara memasak omelet. Ingredientsnya yang pertama 1 large chicken egg. Berarti itu apa? Apa itu, Fanny? Dalam bahasa kita artinya tahu?
Apa, Miss?
The ingredients yang satu 1 large chicken egg itu apa artinya?
Telur ayam.
Oke.
Besar ya, Miss.
Yes. Nomor 2 corned beef. Corned beef.
Itu daging.
Daging yang dicincang ya.
Daging.
And then salt, masako, and pepper, itu bumbu masakan. And then saus keju. Oke, the first step ini telah membacakannya, itu first crack 1 egg and salt, pepper, masako to taste bit. Artinya pertama-tama pecahkan 1 telur, tambahkan garam, merica, dan masako. Nampak ya gambarnya? And then step 2, who can read? Please Tegar, can you read?
Ya, Miss.
Step 2, please read. Tegar,
Apa, Miss?
baca yang step 2.
Step 2. Second, cut the corned beef. Can be solid or can cut into small pieces.
Oke, berarti daging cincang itu dipotong kecil-kecil. And then step 3, please Andini, can you read?
Ya, Miss.
Step 3, tolong dibaca.
Third, add the legs or legs according to taste or estimate. Then, grate cheese and beet.
Itu artinya tambahkan daun bawang, leeks itu daun bawang untuk menambahkan rasa dalam omeletnya nanti. Step 4, Anissa Ul, bisa baca? Anissa Ul. Oke, Riananda. Sepertinya Anissa Ul tidur.
Ya, Miss.
Baca yang step 4.
4. Prepare teflon, put a little oil and butter, then put the dough.
Artinya, siapkan teflon, letakkan sedikit minyak dan butter, lalu letakkan adonan telur tadi, letakkan adonan omelet. Oke, next, step 5. Lanjut, Riananda, step 5-nya, silakan dibaca.
And then roll slowly when there is still remaining raw egg. Don't let the egg cook because it can be rolled then removed.
Artinya gulung-gulung telur yang sudah digoreng tadi atau omelet sesuai yang kita inginkan. And then step 6, last, please plating the dishes and add tomato sauce, cheese sauce if desired. Artinya terakhir letakkan di piring makanan tersebut dan tambahkan saus keju jika menginginkannya. Oke, from this explanation, who can guessing what will we discuss today? What will we discuss today, Mas Judan? Tutorial.
Miss.
Hampir mendekati. Yang lebih tepatnya adalah ini teks prosedur dalam melakukan sesuatu. Lebih tepatnya how to cook something. Before I explain the descriptive text, I need you to guessing and please match the picture Riau identical food with the best name below. Okay, start from Fanny. Can you guessing the first picture? What is the name of this food?
Yes, Miss.
What is the name of this food? Number 1.
Roti canai, Miss.
Let me check together. Yes, true. And then Andini, number 2. Please guessing. What is the name of this food?
Oh, it is my favorite food, Miss.
What is that?
Bolu kumojo.
Wow, seperti kamu ya. Oke, next.
Saya lagi, Miss, saya.
Anissa Ul, kamu kemana aja?
Iya, itu bulu pati, Miss.
Apa? What?
Asam pedas patin, Miss.
Oke, asam pedas patin ya, bukan gulai patin. Yes, excellent for all my students. Next, I would like to explain what is procedure text. Okay, procedure text is an English type of text that contains the purpose and the steps to make or do something related to that purpose. Artinya, teks prosedur adalah sebuah tipe teks bahasa Inggris yang dimana mengandung atau bertujuan untuk menjelaskan tentang tahapan-tahapan untuk melakukan sesuatu yang berhubungan dengan tujuannya. And then the procedure text, the language feature-nya, it using simple present tense, and then the characteristic always using connective conjunction such first, second, third, and then next, then, and, after that, and last. Seperti kan sudah lihat tadi ya, ada first, second, and then, seperti itu. Mengerti?
Mengerti, Miss. Yes, Miss.
The generic structure of this procedure text, that is, one is goal atau tujuan, yang kedua yaitu ingredients or material atau bahan-bahan, yang ketiga yaitu steps. Jadi yang pertama itu jelaskan dulu tujuannya mau membuat apa. Yang kedua, tuliskan bahan-bahan untuk membuat sesuatu itu atau melakukan sesuatu. Yang ketiga yaitu tahapan-tahapannya. Mengerti ya? Okay, now I will explain to you about how to make in Riau Riau food atau makanan khas Riau. That is roti jala kuah kari ayam. The ingredients, who can read the ingredients? Please Andini, you can read.
Yang mana, Miss?
The ingredients.
Semua nih, Miss.
Yes.
Banyak lagi.
Nah, yes. Kalau kamu komen,
Roti jala kuah kari ayam. The ingredients 300 gram wheat flour,
and then
2 grain of eggs, 200 milliliter water, 2
tablespoon ya.
TBS
Tablespoon.
2 TBS margarine, 500 gram chicken, 5 potatoes. Ya, Miss.
And then seasoning.
Seasoning 7 onions, 6 garlic, 4 red chilies, 2 cm ginger,
Yes.
2 TBS coriander,
And then
2 TBS pepper, 2 TBS cumin, 2 TBS curry,
1 TBS curry powder. Yes.
2 laurel leaves, 2 lemon leaves, 3 cm
Galanggal. Yes.
150 milliliter coconut milk,
And then
water, salt, vegetable oil.
okay, good Andini. Next, step 1. Who want to read this step? Please read the step. Feni Kalila.
Yes, Miss.
Step 1 until step 2.
Okay, Miss. Step 1. First, please blend all of ingredients that was explained above.
Okay.
Step 2. Second, please put the liquid flour in the bottle.
Oke, nampak ya itu ya. You can see the bottle that was put for the liquid flour atau adonan tadi. And next, Step 3. Anissa Ul, please.
Step 3. Third.
Anissa Ul. Anissa Ul Aziza, are you still there? Riananda, you can read the steps.
Step 4 ya, Miss.
Step 3 until step 4.
Third, please hit the teflon, then lift and fold the top of the in circular shape.
Oke, maksudnya adalah
Or after it was golden, lift and fold based on what you want.
Oke, yang ketiga maksudnya adalah please heat the teflon, panaskan teflon, lalu letakkan adonan dan angkat dan ambil adonan dan tuangkan ke dalam loyang tersebut atau teflon dengan membentuk lingkaran. Nampak ya? Bentuk seperti lingkaran. And then step 4, setelah itu biarkan sampai berwarna coklat kematangan. And then angkat dan bentuk sesuai yang kalian inginkan. Ngerti ya? Next. Step 5 until step 6. Please, Tegar, can you read it?
Step 3.
Step 5.
Mana
Five.
step 1 ya, Miss? Itu step 3.
Nggak nampak ya? Step 5 dan step 6.
Ya, step berapa yang dibaca, Miss?
Step 5 dan step 6. Bentar, wait.
Oke, nampak.
Udah nampak? Step 5 silakan dibaca.
And the jala was already next. And the jala was already next. Please make the chicken curry.
Oke.
And step 6, and then blend all of seasoning for chicken curry.
Oke. Artinya jalannya sudah siap dihidangkan dan selanjutnya kita membuat kari ayam. Dan step 6 yaitu blend semua bumbu untuk kari ayam. Step 7, step 7 till step 8. Please Anissa Ul, are you still there? Anissa. Okay, another. Andini.
Yes, Miss.
Please read the step 7 till step 8.
Next, cook all of the seasoning by using vegetable oil. Cook it till ripe perfectly. And after that, put the chicken in the season that was cooked before. Let it till ripe perfectly with the season.
Oke, artinya selanjutnya masak semua bumbu menggunakan minyak sayur dan masak hingga matang sempurna. Step 8, setelah itu letakkan ayam di dalam bumbu yang telah matang dan biarkan sampai merata sempurna bersama bumbu. Oke, next step 9. Please Fanny, can you read?
Yes, Miss. Step 9, and add the coconut.
Fanny? Fanny, read the step 9.
Okay, Miss. Step 9, and add the coconut milk after the chicken with well with seasoning. Don't forget to stir the coconut milk till ripe and combine with the chicken.
Oke, step 9 artinya tambahkan santan. Coconut milk itu bukan susu ya, tapi santan. Setelah itu masak ayam hingga matang bersama dengan bumbu dan santan. Dan jangan lupa untuk mengaduk masakan sampai ayam dan santannya matang sempurna. Kok stepnya lagi? Maaf, ini step 10 ya, step 10 and step 11 it should be, but there is a technician false. Okay, step 10, please Triananda, can you read? Triananda,
Yes, miss.
please read the step 10, step 9.
Step 9. Last but not least, make the dishes until like this one. It was right perfectly. All of the ingredients was combined each other. Kok hilang nih?
Yeah, wait a minute.
And the taste was so good. Step 10. The last step is plating the dishes in plate.
Okay. Wait a minute ya. Sudah, setelah membaca ini semua sudah paham ya masing-masing stepnya. Berarti sudah bisa menjawab pertanyaan ya. Student, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, and please answer the question based on the procedure text above. Number 1, what is the meaning of procedure text? Please, Fanny, can you answer?
Yes, miss. Procedure text itu adalah sebuah how to make something.
How to make something and how to do something, yaitu proses untuk melakukan sesuatu.
Sesuatu, miss.
Okay, number 2, please Andini, explain the generic structure of procedure text. Apa tadi the generic structure-nya? Number 1,
Oh, miss.
kamu lupa.
Forgot.
The generic structure.
Oh, the goal, ingredients or material and steps.
Nah, ingat ya, jangan sampai lupa lagi.
Yes.
Saya jewer
Oke,
kamu nanti.
Miss.
Okay, and number 3 please, Tegar. Tegar. Tegar, are you still there?
Yes, miss.
Please answer number 3.
From the procedure text above, please explain what we should do after blend the seasoning.
Nah, ingat. Apa yang tadi?
Nggak ingat tadi, miss.
Jadi kamu nggak perhatikan ya? Tuh, lihat. Step 6, after blend the seasoning. Tegar. Nampak ya?
Ya, miss.
Nah, after that, what we should do? Apa tuh?
All the seasoning by using vegetable oil.
Oke.
Cook it till ripe perfectly.
Ngerti ya? Jangan sampai nggak merhatikan lagi.
Ya, miss.
Okay, number 4, please Riananda. Where the dishes was coming from? Dari mana makanan ini berasal? Okay, please Riananda answer the question number 4.
Riananda izin, Miss.
Oh, izin. Okay, Andini, number 4.
From Riau.
Okay, good. Next, what is the tenses that used in writing procedure text? Please, Anissa Ul masih ada? Anissa? Okay, Fanny, please answer number 5. Andini, can you answer the number 5?
What is the tenses that used in writing procedure text? Simple present, Miss.
Okay, simple present tense. Good. Okay, my students. Wait a minute. This is our last activity. There is a task. I would like to explain the task instruction first. The first instruction is please make a group that consists of 2 person in one group. Ngerti ya? Satu grup terdiri dari 2 orang. Please make a procedure text with theme how to do something or how to make something. Make it in double folio paper. Buat teks prosedur tentang cara membuat sesuatu dan buat itu di dalam kertas double folio. And then collect the task in the next meeting. Kumpulkan di minggu depan di pertemuan kita selanjutnya. Oke, karena kalian ada berlapan, I have been divided into 4. And the first group is Andini. You will explain the step how to make bolu komojo. Andini? Yes. Okay, number group 2 is Tegar. You have to make a procedure text about asam pedas patin. Ya.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, next Riananda, you got explain about roti canai. And then group 4 is Anissa Ul is make a procedure text about es laksamana mengamuk. Okay. I think that's all for today, and thank you so much for your attention, my students, and see you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.